those who are holy. We're a harbor for those who are lost. Sometimes it's not always easy bearing Calvary's cross. We've been ridiculed by those who don't know Him, mocked by those who don't believe. Still I love standing up for my Jesus, 'cause of all that He's done for me. That's why I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm not afraid to be taught, and I'm willing to give my life. See, I'm ready to be all He wants me to be. Give up the wrong for the right. Oh, I am not ashamed of the gospel. No, I am not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. For every moment He's had has held mercy. For all the love that He's shown all around. A simple thanks doesn't say how I'm feeling. I get tears in my eyes. So what's for me? I'm gonna keep on believing. The one who's been so faithful to me. I'm not out to please these whole buntag sa tanan.
Buntag.
Salamat sa